information that we already know. So we know that the average winter temperature was negative 34.44 degrees Celsius. The difference between these and the highest recorded temperature was 49.44 degrees. So let's go ahead and find out what is the question asking us. It says, what was Antarctica's highest recorded temperature? It's very important for us to recognize what the question is asking us. So, okay, so we have negative 34.44, and this difference is a positive, so we should go ahead and add that positive 49.44. So if you guys remember how to add a negative and a positive, what you would do is take the highest absolute value, which is 49.44, minus 34.44. This is 0, 0, 9 minus 4 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1. And our highest absolute value is a positive number, so this remains a positive. So on the do now, the correct answer is C. All right, great. Let's go ahead and do number 2 on the do now. Number 2. It says Combine paid an electrician X dollars per hour for a 5-hour job plus $70 for parts. The total charge was $320. Which equation can be used to determine how much electrician charge per hour? All right, great. So let's put the information that we already know. You can highlight this in your package, or you could just follow along here. So he paid X dollars, right? And that was for 5 hours plus 70 for parts. Well, we know that the 70 for parts doesn't change, so that is our fix. $70. Okay. And then another information that is very important here is the total that he paid was $320. All right. So we need to figure out, this is the fixed amount plus some amount that's going to equal to the total that he paid. This doesn't change, and he only paid this once, so we're just going to go ahead and add 70 once and then something else. Well, let's look back over here. So the job took 5 hours, so let's take 5 hours. For every hour there was something that was charged, but we don't know that, and the problem, it doesn't give us that information, so we're going to go ahead and put that X here. So let's say it was $10 per hour. It will be $50 plus the 70, right? It will be 5 times 10, which is 50, plus the 70. But we don't know. It didn't give us any of that information. We're just gonna leave it as X. This is gonna equal to 320 because this is exactly how much you paid in total. So the 70 for the parts plus the hourly charge has to equal hourly charge times 5, because he worked for 5 hours, has to equal to 320, right? We don't actually need to go ahead and solve everything. This is the expression. So we're just gonna modify it so it can look like what we have in the answer choices. So what we could do here is we could subtract 70 on both sides. Here, this cancels out. We have 5x equals 2. So 320 minus 70. Well, we can just ignore these. So we can subtract 2 from, you can subtract 7 from 2. We borrow from here, 2, 1. So that is 5, 2, 0. So 5x equals to 250. Okay. So when you look over here on the answer choices, these are the observable ones. So A is 5x equals to 320 minus plus 70. So B is 5x equals to 320 minus 70. Well, that's what we just did right here. So we actually solved for the issue, the problem, but that's not, it didn't even ask us to do all of that. So we see that this expression right here, what we did right here, is this. So the answer choice is B is the best answer choice. All right, great. All right, now let's go to number 3. So this one is not multiple choice. So let's go ahead and read the question. Mike took a taxi from his home to the airport. The taxi driver charged an initial fee of $6 plus $3 per mile. The total fare was $24, not including the tip. How many miles did Mike travel by taxi? So we're looking for how many miles. How many miles? Let's write down the information that we got. So the initial fee was $6 plus whatever he paid per mile. He paid $3 per mile, right? All of this has to equal to 24. So we can just write an expression. So 6 plus 3 per mile. We don't know how many miles, so that's what we're looking for. So that is our x. That's our unknown value. So x equals to $24, right? This is very simple. We subtract 6 on both sides. This cancels. 3x equals to 18. So 3 divided on both sides. This cancel. X equals to what? Pretty sure a lot of people already know the answer here. So this is gonna be 6. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Because 6 times 3 is 18. 6, 12, 18. All right, great.